In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Payments to receive payments. This will help facilitate smoother transactions for your business and ensure you stay on top of your invoicing needs. Let's dive right in and start from the basics. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks Online, which is the hub of all your financial activities. Simply log into your account with your credentials. Once you're in, your dashboard will provide a comprehensive view of your financials, helping you manage your responsibilities efficiently. Now direct your attention to the left side menu panel where you'll find various options. Click on Sales, which will take you into the area where you can handle all transaction-related activities. This is crucial as it organizes everything into one convenient place, making it easier to see what's been completed, what's pending, and what needs your immediate attention. Next, navigate to Invoices within the Sales menu. This section will show you all your existing invoices. If at this point you realize there are no invoices, don't worry. QuickBooks gives you the option to create a new invoice effortlessly. This flexibility ensures your records are up to date and ready to go. Once your invoices are prepared, locate and click on Receive Payment. This is a straightforward process that guides you through collecting any pending payment. Accepting payments online streamlines the process considerably, especially if you are looking to maintain a professional approach with clients and customers. As you proceed, you will notice the need to input vital details to facilitate accepting online payments. Double check for accuracy here, because details play a significant role in ensuring everything aligns correctly. However, if you prefer, QuickBooks also offers an avenue to handle payments manually. All it takes is clicking Save and Close at the bottom right corner of your screen. This option keeps things simple and can be helpful for those occasional manual transactions. Finally, once payments have been made and registered, it's important to verify that they're accurately reflected in your records. You can do this by checking the status of the invoices. Click on Paid Invoices to confirm everything is recorded correctly. This step acts as a safeguard, ensuring no transactions are overlooked and your books remain balanced. And there you have it. These steps will guide you through using QuickBooks Payments to receive payments effectively. Keep in mind that staying organized within QuickBooks can greatly support your business's financial health, allowing you to focus on growth and customer satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in and happy managing!